Alright guys, I'm heading out to do that one project there. So guys, I was going to turn here with the Amazon guy. Is actually what I have to pay attention to is make sure that we don't run over any septic tank, because there is a septic tank where the bucket is at. We don't want to run over that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go towards the edge here and we're going to mark. There's already parking on the concrete here. It wasn't for me though. So we're just going to go around straight ahead and we're going to go straight to the path there. There we are. We crossed the line. Alright guys, so I'm ready to turn this yard right here into a garden bed. But the first thing we're gonna do is remove and destroy and actually mix in all the existing grass right here using the Hydra Bucket. This is gonna make the job so much easier. So let's take a look and see how it goes on the first pass. The Hydra Bucket is an excellent tool for this type of job right here because it mixes in all the existing vegetation with the soil. And after that, we're just gonna do some grading towards the top there. This is a little bit up high. We'll do a little bit of grading there to put in a 8x20 greenhouse in the future. Pretty much the low spot is the one that's towards the bottom there. It's a little bit low, but we'll try to fix that up and try to put some more dirt on there to make it look more even. And the back of the property there is a little bit high, so we can see where the water used to come and actually come into a channel towards the bottom there, in the middle there, and to the neighbor's house. This is going to be 10 feet away from the fence, so that's plenty of room to bring a machine back and forth and a truck as well. This stuff right here chopped down. This right here was just with the bucket that I used by flipping the dirt, but it's so much faster with the subsoiler that I have here. Now what I'm gonna do is bring the disc machine to chop it off, and then maybe I'm thinking bring my 1025 or tiller to till everything in to make it smoother. What do you guys think? Let me do that. It's pretty heavy. I'm gonna use this to go ahead and chop up the ground more. So it's gonna do a good job of chopping up the ground, especially because the ground is now softer. I should be able to make it chop the ground so much smoother. So I'm gonna go put you guys on the time lapse and we will go from there.